Good morning, children. Our today's topic is my upbringing. Okay, what do you see in this picture, children? What do you see in this picture? Can you tell me? Can you tell me one by one? That mother is teaching how to wash the hand, yes or no, brushing the teeth and all that. Can you see this to child? Okay, then father is yeah, making cooking food. Okay, then grandmother is telling something stories. In second picture the father is teaching to ride the cycle. Then picture, can you see bathing the buffalo? Yeah, father is teaching. Okay, in fourth picture cooking the food and the girl is watching that mommy is doing something. I should also learn it. She's making puris and all that. She's chapatis and all that, dals and all that. Okay. Okay. Then these are the things that we learn from the big persons, from our elderly person, from our father and mother or grandmother, grandfather or grandmother. Okay. Okay. We learn many different things while we are growing up. While we are growing up, we learn so many things. We are seeing so many things, and that only inside our mind means we are learning that. Okay, they lead to a development of certain habits. These are the habits that mother and father are giving to us. बोलते ना संस्कृती आपली कोण शिकवतं आपल्याला संस्कृती आपले आई वडील शिकवतात की इथेच यू आर गोइंग टू सिट हिअर ओनली सिट नाईसली डोंट स्टँड लाईक दिस डोंट पुट युअर हँड इन द माउथ cut your hair, see your nails are so big. Means who teaches us? Your grandmother says you a story, tells you a story, so many types of nice stories she tells you. You take it inside your mind and you also do like that same. Okay, they shape our views and thoughts. This is what is known as our upbringing. This is what we known as upbringing. जो हम लोग सीखते हैं वो हम लोग आगे बढ़ के यही चलाते हैं. Okay, if our mother is teaching go and that will look good or not, it's a bad habit. She will not teach you anything. Okay, like that. Okay, you must have seen photographs of your childhood. You must have seen a photograph of your childhood. छोटे टाइम का तुम्हारा तुम लोग ने फोटो देखा होगा तुम लोग कैसे थे एंड ऑल दैट. ओके, you began to crawl. First, what you did, you started running or what first only? Or started walking? No, you started first crawling. You started first crawling. You learn how to walk then and how to walk then. Who learned everything? Who taught you this? Your mother taught you, your father taught you to walk and all that. Crawling she does not taught you. Crawling you तुम लोग खुद से सीख ले. But afterwards for walking and who taught you? Your grandmother, your grandfather, your mother and your father only taught you this. Apart from this, you learn many more things. ये छोड़ के चलना इसके अलावा भी तुम लोग ने बहुत सारा सीखा है. Okay, you have learned so many things. How to brush your, how to bath, how to eat without spilling, how to behave with the people elderly than you. Mother taught you, nahi, she's your grandparents, so respect her, respect them. Okay, don't say a bad words, don't say बोलते उल्टा नहीं बोलना सिखाया आपने मम्मी पापा ने आपको. Okay, you should respect the elderly people. Who taught you this? Your mother and father taught you this. Okay, you learn many more things beside these basic ones. How to fill your school bag also. Who taught you? Your father, your mother taught you how to fill your school bag, how to ride a bicycle, how to play a cell phone games, when to feed the cattle, how to buy grocery, how to behave with the stranger. Your mother is giving you 10 rupees and she is telling go and bring 5 or 7 rupees this and she says bring again 3 rupees back. कितना रुपया लाना है फिर से आपको 3 रुपया. Yes or no? She is shouting and saying you means she is teaching you. Okay, she is teaching you. How did you learn all these things? Who taught you all these things, children? You must have learned many of these things from your parents and relatives. Okay? Holding your hands, our parents teaches us to walk. Holding their hands, our parents teaches us to walk. They teach us how to behave and how to talk to the others. दूसरे से कैसे बात करना है, कैसे behave करना है, who taught you? A parents taught you. When we make mistake, when you make a who show us how to correct them, who show us how to correct them? Your parents says नहीं तुमने गलती की है तो उसको माफी मांगनी आपको जरूरी है. Okay, इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग मिस्टेक, डोंट से एनीथिंग, जस्ट बी क्वाइट, क्योंकि तुम सही हो। अगर तुम आर्ग्यू करोगे तो तुम लोग क्या गलत ठहरा हो जाओगे। ओके, they want us to become good people, they want us to become good people. Who thinks this? Our parents thinks that मेरा child बड़ा होके एक अच्छा आदमी बने। Yes or no? Who thinks this? ये किसकी सोच है? अपने पेरेंट्स की, कि मेरा बड़ा होके मेरा बच्चा अच्छा बने, गुड पीपल। ओके, how does a lion club learn how to hunt? Abhi, a lioness also teaches that cub to how to hunt. वो कैसे सिखाती है अपने बच्चों को शिकार करना। ओके, a lion a lion cub is not able to hunt as soon as it is born. वो जैसे ही born होता है वैसे ही तुम लोग खाना पीना स्टार्ट करते हो खाने के लिए नहीं, बट दे स्टार्ट वॉकिंग बाय देमसेल्फ। ओके, उनकी मम्मी उनको सिखा देती है, चलो जा अभी तू चलना सीख ले, बट हंटिंग वो नहीं सीखते। तो कौन सिखाता है? दे आर सीइंग दैट माय मदर इज कैचिंग समथिंग। वो भी फिर सीखता है, देख देख के उसकी मम्मी के साथ जाता है, लायनेस के साथ जाता है और सीख जाता है। It is taught how to hunt by its mother and other lioness in the pride. In the pride means in the group. Okay. These cubs are quite helpless for about the first 2 weeks. पहले 2 वीक वो कुछ हेल्पलेस रहते हैं, उनको सब कुछ खिलाना पड़ता है। लाइक फॉर 3 years यू आर हेल्पलेस, आफ्टर 3 years यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड बाय योर ओन, जो तुमको चाहिए वो तुम लोग लेते हो। ओके, same like that of the cubs and all that, for 2 weeks they are very helpless, for the 2 weeks, 2 वीक के लिए वो पूरे हेल्पलेस रहते हैं। they do not even open their eyes also properly, so their mother keeps them hiding away from the others, इसलिए उनकी मम्मी उनको हाइड करती छुपाती रहती है। when the cubs are about 8 weeks of age, 8 वीक के बाद they are introduced to the other members of the group of the pride. All the lioness take care of the cub. The cub is pampered by all of them until it is 3 months old. 3 महीने के बाद पैम्पर मीन्स क्या? प्यार करना। मीन्स दूसरे भी लायनेस ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड लविंग दैट कब, मीन्स छोटे बच्चों को प्यार करती है। बट आफ्टर 3 months ओल्ड, देन इट बिगेन्स टू लर्न हाउ टू हंट। इट टेक्स 2 to 3 years फॉर अ कब टू बिकम अडेप्ट एट हंटिंग। 2 से 3 साल लगता है एग्जैक्टली हंटिंग करना कैसे। ओके, our loved ones to try hard to see that develop a good habit. Same like that of our parents, like a lioness, also how they are protecting their child. Our parents also protect us. Our parents also think that we should develop our good habits. जो मम्मी उनके मम्मी पापा ने उनको सिखाया वो हम हमारे बच्चों को सिखाएंगे। दिस इज गोइंग ऑन। तुम लोग बड़े हो गए, तुम्हारे बच्चे हो गए, तुम भी तुम्हारे बच्चों को yes or no student, you are going to do again, तुम्हारे बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे, वो उनके बच्चे होंगे, they are going to teach। time is going on going, this is a बोलते नहीं, what's we calling that, चालू रहता है अपने situations going on। our close relatives like our grandparents, uncles and aunts also have a great affection. This is called a generation is going on. Okay, generations are going on. Relatives like our grandparents, uncles, and aunts also have a great affection for us. We learn many things from them too. People who are close to us teaches us how to carry out our own tasks ourselves. They appreciate it. They appreciate it when we can do all these things properly. They comment us saying that we have grown up now. What they says, तुम अभी बड़े हो चुके हो, तुमको खुद को तुम्हारा काम खुद करना चाहिए। Why they are saying this? They are not, बोले आलसी नहीं मम्मी पापा, but they are teaching you. They are saying you to do your work yourself. But now generations are what they are doing, coming home back from the school, they are keeping their school bag like that, and telling I take my book from outside there, take my tiffin from the bag and all that. No, she shouts. Why is she shouting? Because she want to teach you. She want to say you. She want बोलते ना उसको तुमको सिखाना होता है, तुम खुद का काम खुद करो, आगे जाके मम्मी नहीं आने वाली है तुम्हारे काम में। अगर तुम लोग खुद का काम खुद करोगे तो ही तुम लोग आगे बढ़ोगे। Don't depend upon anyone. She want to say that only. Don't depend upon anyone. खुद का काम खुद करो. Understood, children? Do you know, children? Baba Amche spent his entire life in a social service. Social service means to helping other persons, other people. Okay? His lifelong goal was to serve people suffering from leprosy, also other handicapped people. Now, what is this leprosy? Do you saw some of the people having white skin over there on their body? पूरी वाइट कलर की स्किन रहती है, उसकी स्किन जल जाती है, उनका मीन्स बोलते हैं ना, उनकी उंगली बिंगली पूरा ना मीन्स अलग ही रहती है. Okay, this is called a leprosy. And also other handicapped people, जो उन पैर नहीं है, जिनके हाथ नहीं है, they are the handicapped persons. They cannot walk by themselves. उनको help की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Okay, and to help them stand on their own feet, उनको help की ज़रूरत पड़ती है खड़ा रहने के लिए. In this mission, he was helped immensely by his wife. ये मिशन में किन्होंने उनकी हेल्प की? To by his wife. Who helped him? His wife. What was her? Sadhna Tai. What was the name of his wife? Sadhna Tai. His work is being carried on by his sons and his daughters-in-law. Who had done this work carried by his son? उनके बच्चा और उनकी बहू ने भी इसमें बहुत मदद की. Now, even the third generation of the Amte family is carrying on this mission. Third generation means what? Baba Amche का son और उसका son. This is called and third generation. Means मेरी मम्मी, मैं और मेरी बच्ची. This is called and third generation. Okay? Amte family is carried on this mission. This example of social service carried on relentlessly by three generations of a family is really inspiring. Okay? Now, everything that we learn is not taught to us by somebody. जो हम लोग सीखते हैं किसी ने सिखाया नहीं होता है, कभी कभी हम लोग खुद सीख जाते हैं, देख देख के सीख जाते हैं. ओके, वी आर सीइंग दैट एंड वी आर लर्निंग ऑल्सो. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, वी पिक अप, हम लोग वो उठाते ही नहीं हो पाए, ऐसे किया था क्या, हाँ ठीक है, देन वी कीप इट दैट इन माइंड एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम वी डू इट ourselves. Next time we do it by ourselves. We pick up many things through observation and through exposure. How do our friends speak? We see that they are speaking different languages. Then also we are also speaking that language another time. Then mommy shouts, "Kai language hai tuji? What is this you are speaking?" Okay, yes or no? What clothes do we wear? What games do they play? How do they study? We pick up many of these things unconsciously. Many times we also begin to behave like our friend only. उसकी तरह ही तुम लोग बिहेव करना चालू करते थोड़े दिनों के बाद, बिकॉज वी आर यू आर सीइंग दैट, नहीं वो ऐसा बिहेव करता तो मैं क्यों नहीं करूँ, वो ऐसा लैंग्वेज बोलता तो वाई शुड आई शुड नॉट टॉक सेम लाइक दैट. थोड़ी दिन के बाद यू also started using that language, you're wearing that clothes. नहीं उसका clothes अच्छा है तो आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डू लाइक दैट स्टाइल, मैं भी वो स्टाइल मारूंगा. ओके, दिस पेरेंट come for a PTA meeting, for the parents teacher meeting. Okay, parents are talking with each other. Okay, at the school, see what they say to each other. Earlier, Renuka never ate her vegetables. एक की मम्मी क्या बोलती, मेरी बेटी रेणुका vegetables नहीं खाती थी. Now that she has started going to school, now she is going to school. And what happened? After saying to the friends that she is also eating a vegetable, she also started eating the vegetables also. Means उसने ये अच्छी बात सीखी कि मेरी फ्रेंड भी वेजिटेबल खा रही तो मुझे भी खाना ज़रूरी है. अगर वो खा सकती तो मैं क्यों नहीं खा सकती. दिस हैज़ a good thing she has learned from her friend. She eats everything without a force. Now she is eating everything without doing her. बोलता नहीं मुझे नहीं खाना है, मुंह आकड़ा नहीं करती, खा जाती हूँ. Ever seen now in a middle person is saying, middle woman is saying, ever since Zoya, Shilpa and Glil have become friends. They ride their bicycle together every evening. Okay? I am happy that all get enough exercise. What they have taught now, these children said what they are doing in the evening, they are playing a cycling. They are riding the cycling. Means उनकी exercise भी हो रही है cycling करने से. Okay? The person, another one, third one person says, ever since Prathamesh has become friends with Salman and Bhuman, he has started taking a lot of interest in Max because Prathamesh was not loving the Max subject at all. But now, with the help of the Salman and Bhuman, he started loving the Max. Means कोई कोई थिंग है जो तुम लोग अच्छे सीखते हो, कोई कोई थिंग से तुम लोग गंदे सीख जाते हो. सुनो, So our friend should be also a nice person. Okay, children? Now see this. Can you see the picture? Grandfather and one child is running over there. Pratap, this is my neighbor. Okay, he likes to go for a walk every morning. I call him Ajoba. What he called, Pratap calls what? Ajoba. क्या बोलता था इसके लिए? Ajoba. Sometimes I go to the hill with him. कहाँ पे जाते हैं लोग? Hill पर morning walk करने के लिए जाते. Okay, then second one picture is I love reading. Who says Supriya's sister says that she loves reading. Didi, like living next to us, loves to reading. She often gives me a nice storybook to read. What she gives me, neighbors also help us. हम लोग किससे सीख सकते हैं? नेबर से भी हम लोग अच्छे अच्छे थिंग्स सीख सकते हैं. In school, your friend you can learn from them, but where you stay, you learn something from your neighbor also. Hina, this is my neighbor. She is very old. Even then, she sweeps her front yard सामने वाला उसका balcony and all that yard every day without fail. She does her own work herself. वो खुद का काम खुद करती है. अगर वो बूढ़ी है तभी वो किसका काम करती है? दूसरों को बोलती है करने के लिए? No. That only I am saying, children. Your mother also teaches you do your work by your own self. Don't depend upon anyone. Because of her, I realized that we all must be self reliant. This is called a do your work by own self. It's called a self reliant. खुद के ऊपर डिपेंड रहना है, दूसरे के ऊपर नहीं रहना है. Don't depend upon anyone. We are influenced by other people just as we are influenced by our friends also. Like a friend, we are influenced by our neighbor also. We meet our neighbors every day for some reason or the others. For some reason or the other. मम्मी ने कुछ अच्छा बनाया खाने के लिए किसको देख के जरा सामने वाले आंटी को देख के आ ये इडली देख के आ चटनी देख के आ फिर डोसा देख के आ yes or no you're going sometimes to a neighbor house also okay like that we observe their ways of behaving speech eating habits from up close. I want to tell you something like a teacher also you are behaving in the school yes or no टीचर कैसी चलती है टीचर कैसी बोलती है टीचर कैसे पढ़ाती है some of the children like to do an acting of a teacher yes or no means you are influenced by our means our teachers also with us also this is called you're taking something मीन्स तुम लोग देख रहे हो हमको पापा टीचर ऐसी पढ़ाती है ऐसे खड़े रहती है टीचर की ऐसी स्टाइल है देन यू आर गोइंग होम एंड डूइंग दैट यस और नो चिल्ड्रन same like that we are they are we are also learning something we are observing their behaviors behaving speech and eating habits from up close this too has an influence on our upbringing people from other place happens to be our neighbors we naturally gets to know about their food and festival different types of religious persons are staying near us हमारे बाजू में रह रहे तो हमको अच्छा लगता है उनका फूड खाने के लिए उनका फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल दे आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल we are cooking different types of food they are cooking different types of food which may be different from ours this is how we become familiar with the diversity okay ऐसे ही हम किसी को जानते हैं और अपने आजू बाजू चल रहा है डाइवर्सिटी में हम लोग फेमिलियर हो जाते हैं many of our neighbors know us from our childhood किसी किसी को तो हम लोग बचपन से ही जानते हैं they knows our from okay they too feel affectionated towards us कभी कभी हम लोग छोटेपन से ही उनके घर पे रहते हैं नेबर के they also start loving us because from childhood they are seeing us okay we learn some good habits from our neighbors too our neighbor also influence our upbringing. This was our chapter. Everyone understood? Then what we have learned today? The many things we learned as we grown up together make our upbringing. Our parents and close relatives play an important part in our upbringing. Who plays an important part? Our parents, our relatives, our friends, and our neighbors too play an important role to bring up us, to grow up us. Okay? We also learn many things from our friends and neighbors also. We learn from conscious efforts taken by make us good people. Who make us a good people? Who teaches us a good to become a good people? Our parents teaches us to become a good person. और डायरेक्टली उनको गुंडा नहीं बनाते, मम्मी पापा गुंडा बनाते तुम लोग को नहीं। दे वॉन्ट अवर चाइल्ड टू बी अ गुड पर्सन, बड़े होके वो एक अच्छा आदमी बने। ओके, हु थिंक्स अस, our parents thinks this. We also learn through observation and exploration. खुद हम लोग सीखते हैं कैसे, ऑब्जर्व करके। Okay, this was our chapter. I hope everyone understood the chapter clearly.